So I just want to go briefly into some of the key points when you have a digital distribution agreement in front of you, what you are supposed to analyze. In terms of the legal aspect, who owns the masters? Is it that the distribution company is going to be owning your masters and exploiting them and so forth? Or is it that you are going to have some sort of revenue split with the distribution company where, okay, they are going to distribute the masters for you and so on, but you can also exploit it with other companies? Is it an exclusive deal or is it not? What is the revenue split offered? In some of the distribution deals that I've seen, the percentages might be as low as 20-80. In the sense that they get 80% of the revenues from the exploitation of your track, you only get 20%, but you're in an exclusive deal with them for a period of 2 years, 3 years, that type of thing. Does that make any sense? What one person say to you that you're going to get this percentage of income, is it gross or is it net? And what amounts to the net? Who are they paying off before they pay you? Because this is mathematics as well, so you need to understand their definition of revenue. Because what happens in these deals is that they say to you, as I said, might be 20, 80 or whatever it is, but how do they arrive at the 20? And those are the things that you need to discuss. What access, if any, are they giving you to the accounting mechanisms? Because if they're saying that they're going to be exploiting the tracks for you and giving you a percentage of the monies after they do their balance sheets and so forth, then how do you know that the money that they're giving to you is true and fair and whatnot? Is there an online mechanism by which you can go and see how they're deducting the money and so forth? Do you have access to that? Are they just giving you some sort of receipts without you having access? Because you're based here, they're based overseas. How is this taking place? What is the length of the deal? As I said, a lot of the deals that I've seen initially were 3 years, 4 years. Now people are starting to get a little wiser and entering into 1 year deals with the option to renew if it is something that's beneficial to them. But at first there used to be these really long deals, and as I said, they were deals based in the US, where what was happening is that because they were wanting to own the masters for that period, well, not own, but you were assigning the master to them for a period of time, licensing the master to them for a period of time, when there are companies here in Trinidad and Tobago who want to use the masters for synchronization deals, for music and film, for music and advertisements, for endorsement deals and so forth, we ended up having to go to these companies based invariably in New York, some parts of Brooklyn, or some parts of LA to get the right to use the masters for Trini content, so to speak.